Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change the default browser in Windows 11 in 2026. Okay, very easy. Let's go for tutorial. First open setting in Windows, click setting option and click apps. Now click default apps. For example, default apps. I click default apps and find your browser. For example, browse and click set default, then choose your new browser. That's it, your default browser is changed. Very easy. Please, if you have any question, please comment video, like the video, subscribe my tech channel for other tutorial video. Okay, good luck.